Welcome to our guide on using the mini course generator. Today, we'll show you how to create engaging online courses and boost your income. First, let's get started by signing up. Simply visit the mini course generator website and click on the Sign Up button. Fill out your details and create your account. Once you're in, you're ready to begin your course creation journey. When prompted with the question, "What is your primary intention for signing up?" if you're unsure, select Other. Then click Continue and proceed by hitting Let's start creating courses. This sets the stage for your creative process. Welcome to your dashboard. This is your workspace where all the magic happens. Here, you can view your courses, track analytics, and access various tools at your fingertips. Familiarize yourself with the layout. This is where you'll manage everything related to your mini courses. Now, let's create our first course. Start by selecting Collections and then Mini Courses. Hit Create and opt for Create with AI Assistant for course creation. In the prompt asking, "Tell us about your profession," enter Content Creator. For what is your target audience, type Video Creators. In the description field, write a course about writing video scripts using AI. Click Generate Title to see some suggestions. Choose one that fits your course, or you can hit Generate again for more options or write your own title if you prefer. Once satisfied, click Generate Outline. Review it and add any necessary headings before finally clicking Generate Mini Course. Wait a moment as the AI assistant creates your course. Once it's done, click Edit Mini Course. Now you'll see all sections of your course, ready for you to edit content, images, videos, and more. To enhance engagement, let's add a quiz. Scroll to the end of a section and click Add Page. Choose one correct answer for the type of quiz. Here, you can upload an image for the question. Add a title and your question, like, "Is AI helpful in scriptwriting?" Provide options, for example, true or false. The changes are saved automatically, so no need to worry about losing your progress. Be sure to preview the quiz to check its functionality. What about rewarding your users? Go to the end of the course and click Customize Completion. You can pick from conditional cards, score cards, badge cards, or celebrate completion. For this example, let's select Score Cards, using the formula that counts the number of correct answers. After finishing your customization, simply click Close Preview to return to the course editor. Next, let's polish your course. In the Mini Course settings, you can add a description, favicon, and logo. You can also tweak the theme in the Mini Course Theme section. Remember to hit Save before previewing your course to see how it looks. Now, if you want to share your course, click on Share. You'll see multiple options: share via URL, embed on a website, iframe code, download as a PDF, or download as SCORM. For now, let's choose to share via URL. Your course is ready. Head back to Collections to add a logo, cover image, and title for your course collection. You can create additional courses and seamlessly add them to your collection to share with others easily. And that's a wrap. You've learned how to use the mini course generator to create, customize, and share engaging courses. Start monetizing your skills today. For more details, check out the full article linked in the description. Happy course creating!